EMPH update here. So I don't know when the last time I made a video was, but I know that in that video I talked about this box right here, 27 to 30 bucks, and it just hit I think on Monday maybe? No, it hit today. No, Wednesday. Hit yesterday. So I think we bottomed. I think that this correction is over. I think that this should be wave 2. I don't see any reason why this should go down any farther. Show you why in just a second. So wave 1 right here back in 2022, and it took almost 3 years for the second wave to happen. So let's go over this move down. Let's go to the monthly actually. The weekly's good. So we have A right here. That was pretty obvious. This one was kind of tricky right here. You had a weird move. It couldn't take out, it could barely take out this high. Kind of had some bearish divergence going on there. And then you had, we'll label it with the RSI, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have ones right here. You can kind of see it on the weekly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second wave, third wave is actually right here with this one. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Then you get a fourth wave here. 1, 2, 3. So if there is one more move down, here, let's go. If there is one more move down, then it would be like that. So maybe there's one more move down here to 28, and this is a fourth wave, but this is pretty much finished, I think. Another reason why I think it's finished, look where the 1.61 fib is. Talked about this in previous videos. Okay, the 1.61 fib is right at the gap fill. It's at 28.70. So I guess there could be a bounce here and then 28.70. I misspoke saying it bottomed. Probably one more move down to 28.70 and then it's ready to go. What are we looking for on this bounce? Well, we have rate cuts coming up. Is this going to go to new highs? Is this going to go to new highs? If it's going to go to new highs, my target would be $550. But I'm not very optimistic about that, to be honest. Seems pretty high after dropping this much. So it could end up being a B wave as well. If it's a B wave, you're just looking at a retracement to anywhere from 146, which already in itself, that's like 5 times, to all the way up here to 274. So we can look at gap fills now. Where are all the gaps in the chart? And kind of get an idea of where we expect. I would expect a minimum here, and you already have a gap right here. So we're looking at minimum probably of 166. And then there's another gap up here at 213. And we'll just start there. I don't see any other gaps in the chart. So anywhere in this area is where I'm looking for the next move to go to. 166 to 214. So if you're long here, you got to wait a little bit longer, and then we're going to get a nice, what is that, like a 400% gain from here is coming up. 400% back into this area. No idea on the time frame, but it doesn't really matter. If you're buying shares, you're going to see this price again. So that is the update on EMPH. Maybe one more low to about 28 bucks. And then after that, is takeoff time to a minimum of $166.